Today we are going to talk about akara for diabetics. Akara is made with beans and is called a bean cake. But for diabetics, we are going to use almond flour, eggs, olive oil, and salt to taste. Because I like pepper, I'm going to put 1 pepper. Okay, because this is just for me alone, I'm using just 2 tablespoonfuls of almond flour and 2 eggs. Put the almond flour in a bowl and then add the 2 eggs. Mix it together. Then add the pepper and mix together until you have a smooth paste. Then add salt to taste. Put the olive oil in a frying pan, let it heat up for 2 minutes, and then add your almond akara. Fry it on both sides, and then you have your akara ready to eat. This is akara without stress and it's very delicious. You can take this alone with water, but I usually take it with my breakfast recipe as seen in my previous video, or sometimes I just take it with pure cucumber and I usually feel satisfied with it. Please feel free to ask questions or comments on any of these recipes. Look out for more in my next video. God bless you.